Have you ever wondered how to design a beautiful flower bed? It's a delightful blend of planning and creativity. Just like a painter with a blank canvas, you're the artist here. Designing a flower bed can be an enjoyable and fulfilling activity. The first step in creating a beautiful flower bed is selecting the right location. Sunlight, soil condition, and visibility are key factors to consider. After all, a sun-loving blossom won't thrive in the shade. Remember, the right location can make a world of difference in your flower bed's success. Once you've chosen the location, the next step is selecting the right flowers. Picking flowers is an art, blending color, size, blooming season, and care needs. Let's start with color. Consider a palette that complements your garden's overall design. Size is crucial too, smaller flowers for edges and larger ones for dramatic centerpieces. Now, think about the blooming season. Aim for a mix of annuals and perennials for year-round beauty. Lastly, be mindful of each flower's care requirements. Choosing the right flowers is an art that combines both aesthetics and practicality. With your location and flowers chosen, it's time to lay out and plant your flower bed. Start by arranging your flowers in an attractive pattern, keeping in mind the height and spread of each type. Then prepare the soil, ensuring it has the right nutrients and drainage. Plant your flowers, giving them enough space to grow. Remember, after planting, it's crucial to water and care for your flowers regularly. With patience and care, your flower bed will soon be a source of joy and beauty. And that's how you design a beautiful flower bed. Remember, location matters. Choosing the right flowers is key, and your layout makes it unique. Let your creativity bloom and tailor your flower bed to your personal taste. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more gardening tips and tricks. Happy gardening!